Startup Podcast PH is co-produced by Sprout Solutions, Aperon, Tuala, Simf, Maroon Studios, and Aim High. Check out our partners in the description. Welcome sa Startup Podcast PH, where interview Filipino startups to know about their stories and innovations. Andito tayo ngayon sa Binhi TBI in West Visayas State University in Iloilo City to interview its startup incubators. We have Nutrilink. Knowledge is the best antihistamine. Wow. We have its co-founder, Jomer Ruego. Hello, Jomer. Kamusta?
Hello, sir. Okay lang naman po.
Ayan.
Good
Actually, ang ganda
morning.
ng tagline nyo. Nakaka-curious ito, no? Although, we have some idea na, kung ano ito. Knowledge is the best antihistamine. But I guess it's best if it comes from you. So, ano nga ba, Jomer, ang Nutrilink?
Okay, sir. Once again, good morning po. And good morning sa viewers natin. So Nutrilink po is a recent startup lang po. So last year po kami nag-start around November. Currently 6 lang po yung founding members namin. And it is a student-led
Madami na
Filipino
nga yun eh,
startup.
6.
Marami na din. So, student-led Filipino startup po siya, which aims to address the allergy gap, the knowledge on allergy gap here in the Philippines. Tsaka we aim to make allergy testing much more efficient and much more cost-friendly po sa Filipinos, sir.
Oh, dun pa lang.
Yes.
You really got my attention. We actually really need this. We actually really need this in the Philippines.
Opo,
Truly,
sir.
truly. Madami akong tatanungin, madami akong tatanungin, pero I want to comment muna din sa tagline. Actually, ang galing
Okay,
na
sir.
knowledge is the best antihistamine. Na-play niyo yung words na
Mm.
when you have knowledge, you are more prepared. Ang antihistamine basically parang cure ba siya or prevention? Cure siya ng
Oo,
allergy.
parang
Or parang
solution na siya
solution siya para
may
mapigilan
mangyari
yung
na.
onset
Oo,
ng allergic
exactly.
reaction, ano? So you're using when you have knowledge, you're more prepared on how to face your allergic reactions, kumbaga, ano.
Exactly.
Pero yun, siguro dun muna tayo sa parang problem or sa gap as a startup that you're solving. Kasi I guess meron nga tayong knowledge gap as a country or as a nation about allergies. So can we know more about that? So ano ba really yung problem that you're solving, and parang can you explain more to it, kasi I believe mas alam na yan.
Okay, sir. So basically, sir, when we say allergy gap, sir, hindi marami pong Filipinos na hindi nila alam yung allergies nila.
Yes.
Or it's either alam nila pero based on experience na. Like for
Yes,
example, kumain sila ng shrimp
hipon.
tapos doon di ba, sir? Doon nila nalaman na may allergy sila. Pero there is a way para malaman before kumain, which is the skin prick test, sir, if you're aware.
Yes.
Nakapag-try ka na ba
Yes,
before? Opo. So yun yung parang primary way of knowing if you have allergies. So, according sa atin, sa Freedom of Information or sa FOI natin, wala po tayong data on allergy morbidity here in the Philippines. So basically, hindi natin alam kung ilang tao yung merong allergy sa eggs,
Yes.
allergy sa milk, and this data is very important. And the only way para malaman magka-data tayo is if mag-test yung mga Filipinos. And although meron naman po tayong way of testing, which is the skin prick test, mahal po siya. So parang nag-range po yung price niya around 2,000 to 10,000 pesos. And depende yun sa range of allergies na gusto mong i-test. Range of allergens pala.
Yes,
And pwede po siyang ma-administer in clinics and hospitals lang. So wala pong way to test your allergies at your own convenience sa bahay nyo. And pinag-usapan po namin, parang nag-usap-usap kami around November, around July din. So doon namin po nalaman na ikaw, hindi mo alam yung allergies mo. Ako, hindi ko din alam yung allergies ko. Alam ko lang is allergic ako sa shrimp, hindi ko na alam yung iba. So from there, pinag-isipan pa namin kung paano kami give ng solution po sa allergy gap, and at the same time sa pag-provide ng more efficient and cost-efficient din na solution sa allergy testing, sir.
Okay, alam mo ang galing kasi na-mind blown ako kasi this is kind of a common something pero wala pang gumagawa hanggang ngayon,
Exactly, sir.
'di ba?
1 out of 3 people ay may allergies, pero
Oo.
'di ba malaking problema siya. Isang problema siya na maraming nakaka-experience,
Yes.
pero walang masyadong nagbibigay ng solutions for that.
Do you know ba if like sa ibang bansa may ganito, yung parang
Yes po. May data po yung, for example, America, meron po silang data on allergy morbidity.
mm,
Pero dito po sa Philippines, wala po. Kasi hindi naman po marami yung nagpapa-test. Like for
mm,
example, if ako, curious lang ako na may allergy
mm,
ako, hindi
mm,
naman ako pupunta lang sa hospital
mm,
para lang
mm,
magpa-test for
mm,
allergies. Usually, parang recommended siya ng isang doktor na kailangan ko magpa-test before ako malaman yung
mm.
allergies ko.
Ako kasi, actually, ako personally, hindi
Yes,
ko
sir.
nga alam kung may allergies ako eh.
Oh, di
Feeling
ba,
ko wala
sir?
eh. Baka
Oo.
wala, 'di ba? Pero baka meron pala, 'di ba? So
Mm.
parang maganda rin na habang bata ka pa lang, ma-test na, no? Parang
Exactly.
kasi para I mean, bago maiwasan yung mga minsan may mga ano eh, mga deadly somehow na reaction eh, 'di ba? Like
Mm.
as in you will gonna as in talagang mahirapang mag-function or it can be lethal for
Yes, sir.
some, 'di ba? So I think it's better na habang bata pa lang parang ma-screen na somehow. Pero you
Mm.
mentioned ano na parang ang gap really dito is aside from like the knowledge, yung parang access sa testing.
Yes, sir.
So pero right now, meron namang gano'n 'di ba, pero expensive.
Opo.
So ang gusto niyong gawin somehow is parang gawin siya mas accessible and ano rin parang maging normal somehow, correct me if I'm wrong,
Exactly.
normal somehow na bata pa lang, like in the pediatrician level of consulting sa doctors na ma-test yung mga iba't ibang possible allergies niya, parang
Exactly,
gano'n ba?
sir. Tsaka ano din, sir, aside from, para accessible siya tsaka mas, mura siya,
Mm.
gusto din namin ng isang painless na solution. So
Hmm,
kasi yung skin testing, sir,
mm.
needle na
Yes,
lancets
na-try ko
po yung
'yun,
ginagamit.
oo.
Oo, so
Masakit
parang
'yun.
oo, sabi nila is parang kagat lang
Yeah, oo,
langgam,
oo.
pero in reality marami pong nagsasabi sa akin na
Oo,
masakit talaga siya.
oo.
So yung solution po na pino-provide namin is painless po siya, sir.
Ano yun, paano yung painless? Or secret ba yan
Um
muna?
Ano sir, yung solution po namin to that is Allerkit. Yan po yung ano namin,
Ito yung parang main
so
offering
yung
niyo as
Nutrilink po yung ano company
okey,
namin,
okey.
yung solution namin is, titled Allerkit.
Okey.
So parang non-invasive po siya na ano allergy testing. So parang isang strip po siya sir, na yung ginagamit po namin is microneedling technology and hindi po siya
Oh.
yung traditional na malaking needle. And if you think of it sir, parang very technical siya or very, hala baka mas expensive pa nga 'to, eh, kasi
Okey.
microneedle siya. Pero in our day-to-day basis po sir, marami pong products na gumagamit ng microneedles and hindi lang natin alam. For
Like?
example po, yung Salon Pass, gumagamit din po sila ng ano, ng
Hmm.
microneedles
Oh,
to
okey.
deliver compounds.
Okey.
So from that principle po parang,
Ang galing,
yun po yung
I'm amazed, I'm
ina-apply
amazed.
namin.
Oo. Oo, okey. So parang ano lang siya 'no, ang puwede mo lang sabihin magsa-salon pass ka lang, pero mate-test ka na actually for
Opo,
allergies.
but instead of parang yung pain relieving, yung
Oo.
ano, yung ini-administer is ay yung allergens
Oo,
mismo.
oo.
And, if for example kasi yung product po sir parang sticker siya
Mm.
na
So saan
meron
niyo nilalagay
siyang
sa katawan,
sa
saan?
forearm sir.
Forearm, okey, okey. Okey.
And after ano parang 15 to 20 minutes na nilagay mo na siya, kukunin mo siya,
Okey.
tapos meron po kaming integrated na application
Okey,
sa
okey.
phone. So
Okey.
parang, isa-scan mo yung after result mo ng forearm mo sir, tapos doon mo malalaman kung saan ka naging positive. For example, positive ka
Hmm.
for eggs, seafood.
Oh,
Tapos
okey.
sir, since may application and, siyempre, according ano with respect din sa Data Privacy Act,
Mm.
dun po namin puwede i-compile yung data
Oo,
with
oo.
regards sa mga people na nag-test po.
Mm. Ang daming
And
puwedeng gawin 'no? First of all, puwedeng i-connect yun sa EMR, eh, yung parang kung may
ay,
database
opo.
yung mga hospitals. Of
Mm.
course, may control pa rin dapat yung tao ano,
Yes po.
yung individual. Second, kung private man, meron din namang mga ways to like have analytics of it. Pero private pa rin yung data ng
Opo.
individual. Pero like, yun nga, may analytics tayo like gaano karaming Pilipino ba yung may allergies sa
Exactly.
whatever. Pero wait lang, balikan lang muna natin yun 'no, para lang din mas may context tayo.
Okay, sir.
Ano ba yung mga allergies? Ano ba yung mga common na allergies? Ano
Okay.
usually allergic reaction? Ano ba usually mga allergies na meron ng mga tao?
Yung wino-work on po namin sir na ano, first na ima-mass produce sana na product is yung magbibigay ng data for the big 9 allergies according to the
Okay, big
FDA.
9.
Yung big 9 allergies po natin is, eggs, milk,
Eggs, milk,
we have fish,
fish,
shellfish, we also have
shellfish,
wheat,
wheat,
sesame, ano pa ba?
yung shrimp.
Sa shellfish po siya,
Shellfish ba yun?
oo.
Okay, okay.
Ang soybeans,
Soybeans,
peanuts, and
peanut,
tree nuts.
an end?
tree nuts, sir.
Tree nuts.
So, iba yung
Oh,
peanuts
okay.
sa tree nuts. Yun po yung 9 allergies, sir.
Oh, okay. So,
Oo.
and then ang solution nyo is it's more of like home kit. I mean, parang self-use.
Self-administrable siya, sir.
Pero do you see it like na parang ano rin for a doctor to
Pwede din po,
administer
sir.
to?
Yes. Oo.
So parang pwede rin kasi mangyari na nakikita ko aside from like an individual or a family purchases like that kit. When they go to a pedia, when their kid goes to the pedia, pwede rin i-recommend ng doctor and yung doctor
Opo,
na
sir.
like mag-administer. Pero syempre kayo yung supplier nung parang kit na
Yes,
yun,
sir.
right? So kumbaga pwedeng customers nyo is yung family mismo, yung individuals mismo, or pwede rin yung doctors. And then the
Exactly,
doctors will
sir.
use it, right?
Opo, sir. Spot on, sir.
Yeah, syempre ano tayo, business-minded din tayo mag-isip ano. Of course, this is a very good innovation. Ano. By the way,
Thank you,
so yung
sir.
product is like your own innovation, your own
Opo, sir.
invention.
Yes. Currently in the process of patenting, sir.
Wow. Okay, I'm amazed. This is something. As in, this is really, really something.
Opo, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I can't believe na dito ka lang sa Iloilo na kita ito. I mean, nakaikot na ako ng Pilipinas somehow sa top 5 startup cities somehow. And then, I've interviewed more than 200 startups na. Pero ngayon ko lang nakita to. And grabe, sa Iloilo siya manggagaling. And siguro
Oo.
magkakatalo dito later on yung ano pa rin, syempre, yung market, yung business,
Opo,
yung
sir.
parang validation niya sa market. Pero like yung product na yun, I think it's, for me, it's very attractive. It's very useful. And syempre, magkakatalo dito yung business, economics, kumbaga, yung price, on
Yes,
how
sir.
it will be adapted later on by doctors, and yung mga individuals din ba, kung they will be, they will find it really useful or parang, sige, try na lang natin kung may allergy tayo. Kahit tayong peanut, kahit tayong...
Exactly, sir.
And sige, yung app ulit, yung app. So,
Okay, sir.
can you tell more about it?
So yung app po namin, sir, it comes along with buying the product. So parang yun nga, sabi ko, parang it uses the camera of your phone para to scan the before and after photo of your forearm para makita niyo yung results. Tapos from that, sir, it will use AI technology through its memory, sir, para ma-identify whether positive or negative yung response ng skin mo. And using the number of tsaka yung results mo, sir, i-consolidate niya. So, parang kung sino yung gumagamit, yung results is parang consolidated din. And from that din, sir, for example, na-reveal na you are allergic to dairy products, magbibigay din yung applications ng suggested na lifestyle. Oo, para ma-improve mo yung lifestyle mo. So, parang, kasi diba, yung aim talaga namin is to empower din yung gumagamit. Hindi lang siya yung parang, okay, so here are your allergies, what's next? So parang ganyan po.
Tsaka pwede rin siyang kunyari, allergic nga sa peanut or sa shrimp. Ito yung parang alternative na pwede mong kainin. Or
Yes,
parang
sir.
kung sa milk, diba? So, you can try yung mga non-dairy na parang alternative sa milk. So, grabe, no? Basically, pag bibilhin mo siya, it's the kit, no, na andun yung parang what you put here, yung parang salon pass nga. And then,
Opo,
andun
sir.
din yung parang instructions na here's how to download the app and here's how to read the results and here's how
Yes,
you
sir.
read the recommendations, the solutions, ganun.
Opo, may pamphlet po siya, sir. So parang if nasa market na siya, so parang box siya. Tapos meron siyang yung actual kit tsaka yung pamphlet. Tapos doon po nakalagay yung results kung paano po ginagawa yung pag-analyze ng results mo using the application po.
May idea na kayo sa parang pricing nito? Or...
yung pricing po namin, opo.
Okay.
Kinonsolidate po na namin lahat ng raw mats, yung pati labor. Pero kasi 6 lang naman kami po currently eh. So parang, yung rough estimate po is parang 200 plus, sir. Per kit.
200 pesos?
Opo,
What?
sir.
Napakamura.
Kaya nga parang...
I mean, compared to sinabi mo kanina, around 2,000 yung test.
Tama po, sir.
Wow.
So, yun po, sir. Yung estimated po for now.
Okay, this is big. This is gonna be big. I'm saying it now.
When you think of microneedles, parang yun din sabi namin, baka intimidating siya for people. Kasi
they don't have to know about the inner technology naman talaga eh. Diba? As long as affordable, as long as nag-work, that's what's important for the consumers eh. I believe,
po,
diba? Okay. Yes, mind-blowing. And this is promising, very promising.
Is payroll processing taking too much of your time? Introducing Sprout Payroll Starter. For as low as 5,000 pesos per month, you get a team of experts to help you with your payroll and HR needs. We'll help compute and process payroll. handle all your government compliance requirements, and automate timekeeping. Leave the payroll to us so you can focus on growing your business. Enjoy peace of mind with Sprout Payroll Starter. Trust the digital future with Twala. Secure and tamper-proof digital signature. Electronic notarization service. And custom AI agents for intelligent document workflows. Visit twala.io to learn more. In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Symph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit symph.co today.
So siguro let's know more about your stories. So you mentioned na you're a student and your team is
Opo,
all
sir.
students pa lang
Lahat po
no?
kami students.
So sige, paano nga ba nag-meet ang team and paano nyo naisip ba itong startup na ito?
So as mentioned ako, sir, 'di ba, we started from July of 2024. Pinagsama po kami during the Scholars Technopreneurship Training Program. Shout out po sa DOST
Okay.
SEI tsaka DOST Region 6 and Livanest. Sila po yung nag-organize ng event na yun for DOST Scholars. So sumama po kami doon and doon po na-form yung team namin. So basically, we underwent 5 months of training, sir, with regards to technopreneurship. And doon po kami nagkakakilala din. Tsaka nagsama din po kami according sa mga gusto namin i-address. So parang yung team namin, yun yung maganda, sir, kasi yung team namin is na-form talaga siya na same kami yung mga passion. So parang may healthcare, tapos nagko-coincide din with the technology part kasi tatlo po kaming biologists.
Okay.
So ako, sir, specialized ako sa microbiology.
Okay.
Si Sarah po, yung isang kasama namin, is
Hello.
from biotechnology siya.
Okay.
And meron po kaming kasama na si Rico, which is also a microbiology major, sir.
Okay.
And aside from that, sir, yung other 3 is computer science majors na po.
Wow,
Yan si
galing.
Matthew, si EJ, tsaka si David, sir. So doon, sir, sa event, doon kami nag-formulate ng kung ano yung magiging startup namin. So gusto namin is yung una namin iniisip is yung problem. Kasi 'di ba you can never have a solution if wala naman problem. So doon namin nakita na ayun, may kakulangan tayo sa knowledge with regards to allergies
Ito
here in the
testing,
Philippines.
yeah.
Ito testing, exactly, sir. And doon namin as biology majors, kami yung nag-isip na kung paano bigyan ng alternative for that, yung skin prick testing. Tsaka yung namin, yung computer science majors, sila naman yung nag-isip ng way of analyzing the results, sir. Which, that is why nakakome up kami sa application, sir, na pwedeng gamitin alongside sa product namin. And after 5 months, sir, doon sa STTP, after na na-form yung group namin na Nutrilink, pinersent pa namin siya sa demo day, which was on November of last year, I think. Then doon po kami nanalo po kami ng awards and grants, sir. Tapos doon na nag-start yung parang story namin talaga as a team.
How was the process pala of like making the actual product or parang yung innovating it really?
Yeah, okay. Like the actual product,
Yeah,
sir.
oo. Kasi it's an invention actually.
Oo. Last year, sir, yung una po namin ginawa is non-working prototype, sir.
Yeah.
And ginawa po namin siya using 3D printing. So with the help of DOST Region 6, sir, nakapag 3D print po kami ng 3D model ng aming startup invention. Tapos yun yung parang pinakita namin during the demo day sa judges po namin. And currently, sir, gusto namin sana mag-proceed na sa paggawa ng parang pwedeng i-mass produce na
Manufacture,
project.
yes.
Oo, na product pala. And we are talking with Sobikogi Philippines, sir. Based sila on Batangas. We are specialized in metalwork sila, sir. So parang doon namin pinag-iisipan kung paano nila kami matutulungan. Kasi sila yung parang one of the judges na nag-offer
Mm.
ng parang help sa amin during
Yeah.
the STTP na
Mm.
training. So parang yun yung parang iniisip namin na tutulong sa amin for the manufacturing. So parang hindi kami standalone lang. Parang marami yung
Yeah,
tumutulong
yeah.
sa amin.
Mm.
For example,
Mm.
Binhi. And
Mm.
very thankful po kami talaga sa
Mm.
mga TBIs. Tsaka meron pong aware ka pa ba sa Sipugad, sir?
Sipugan sa
Oo.
CPU, na
Oo,
TBI.
parang willing din po silang tumulong sa amin with regards to certain aspects ng
Oo.
technology namin. So parang ayun po, parang very grateful din kami to have people
Yeah.
working alongside with us para maging possible po yung innovation
Okay,
namin.
nag-aano ako tawag dito, goosebumps. Kasi actually, that's the yun yung parang spirit ng startup ecosystem na
Opo,
you
sir, exactly.
your group of students, kayo sa inyo nanggagaling yung pinaka-fresh na ideas Kayo yung
Opo.
pinaka-creative and ideal pa And then, fortunately, andito na kayo parang structure with the help of the TBIs nga. And by the way, yung ang TBIs dito sa Western Visayas actually, with the help of UMWAD, yung parang consortium. Like when I wanted to go here, parang in a snap na schedule na kagad lahat ng parang very cooperating, very helping towards each other yung mga TBIs, yung incubators, and yung pong ecosystem din, And not just, of course, not just the Padgos, but for the ideas nga that's gonna be turned to businesses, to turn to be startups, na parang tama naman na yun yung magiging story niyan na there's an idea, and if that idea is very, very good and may feasible siya mangyari talaga, market-wise, technical-wise, dadating yung mga incubators, investors, even grants, yung third-party manufacturers if ever, and even maybe my doctors, my medical side na consultancy, whatever na pwedeng tumulong sa inyo, diba?
Exactly,
Dadating
sir.
yan if the idea really is is very good. So parang nga yun parang kung isipin mo, hindi yung startup, hindi tao yung gumagawa ng startup, kundi yung startup yung nag-a-attract ng mga yung idea yung nag-a-attract ng mga institutions and ng mga tao
Opo, sir.
to grow, di ba? Ayun, sige. Lang natin, dahil andito tayo ngayon sa Binhi TBI. So,
Yes, sir.
siguro, mas bigyan natin ng story yung journey nyo. So, ayun, after that competition, kung saan kayo nagkita-kita, the demo day, then, ano pa yung story? Paano kayo napunta sa Binhi? And then, what do you look forward to while incubated here?
So ayun po, sir, 'di ba, after na nung November na nag-conclude po yung journey namin sa training program ng POST, doon po namin din na doon po kami nanalo ng 1-year incubation period here in Binhi.
Okay.
So parang naging offer din siya that time.
Okay.
And I think major factor din na parang most of us are from West Visayas State University din. So parang grateful din kami na parang kahit very very fresh pa lang yung idea namin, tsaka yung parang prototyping pa lang kami, kinuha kami. So parang kahit wala pa kaming talaga actual na parang users as of now.
Yeah.
Kasi marami pang pagdadaanan kasi pag medical medical device, very kailangan very talaga, you need to be sure na it's safe before you
yes, of course.
release it to the public. So parang yun po yung naging story namin kung paano kami nakapasok here in Binhi.
At saka ang kasi dito, many student startups, actually ang nangyayari na sana hindi naman mangyari sa inyo kasi
Yes, sir.
after graduation, yung mga iba sa mga students, talagang kailangan trabaho I mean, for money, we need to live diba? So minsan nangyayari yung mga iba will go work out elsewhere. Pero fortunately sa inyo, may grant kayo. So yun yung para magiging sweldo nyo somehow for while you're doing the startup until the product becomes created and the startup somehow earns money na magsusustain sa inyo. Right?
Opo, sir, yes. Kaya nga ngayon, nagkaroon po kami ng prize money during the STTP last time. And a chunk of that, sir, parang ininvest namin sa sa startups.
Yes,
parang
it should be.
Yeah, grateful naman po kami na parang same page po kami lahat. Na parang kailangan nating mag-invest talaga dito. Kasi maganda yung maganda siyang ideas. Parang ayun, parang worth investing siya. And we are also planning, sir, to join competitions na parang startup competitions na parang for grants.
For the grants.
Oo.
Kasi parang ito yung trabaho nyo somehow Ito yung sweldo nyo somehow
Kasi wala pa kaming sweldo for now. Parang ayun.
Ayun, grabe. I mean, Ako personally, I want to see this happen.
Mm.
So, I support you in this journey and I support you in getting grants para nga meron kayong syempre income until the time na magawa nyo ng talagang income or profitable ang si Nutrilink.
Thank you, sir.
But on the end of naman of the business, parang how do you see, so in yung product to be patented na, di ba?
Opo, sir.
How do you see naman yung parang approach nyo in getting customers, in getting
Mm.
traction? How do you plan to like reach the individuals or maybe the doctors, the hospitals? How do you plan that?
In terms of business model po, sir,
Mm.
we have talked about it, and siguro po yung maging main way of generating income and customers po will be business to business, sir. So parang mag-reach out po
Wise.
kami sa hospitals,
Yes,
private
tama.
clinics, tsaka
Tama.
it's like, 'di ba sabi mo, sir, parang maganda siya na i-recommend ng doctors.
Tama.
So parang yun din yung magiging way for us. And aside from that, pwede din po kaming mag-retail sa mga pharmacies, sir. So parang
Yes,
yun din yung pinag-uusapan namin right now, how to pierce that market, sir. And yun po, iunahin po namin yung business to business. Tsaka
Tama.
if parang okay po siya, siguro mag-business to consumer din kami. Pero yung for now, yung pinag-iisipan po talaga namin is yung business to business, sir. So
Tama. I agree.
kasi yun yung parang mag-work talaga for this model.
Okay, for sure, pag may nakikinig nito na like angel investor,
Ay, sana, sir.
na-attract na yun. So if there's, are you looking for investors?
Opo, sir.
Yeah.
Very open po.
Ayan. So actually, no, me personally, kung if I'm just an investor na hindi pa ako ganun kayaman pero you're easily in one of my prospects.
Thank you,
really.
sir.
So I hope if may nakikinig nito na investor, angel investor, which is actually Startup Podcast PH, may mga mga low-key na mga angel investors ang ginagamit ito for like scouting potential startups. So maybe let's see kung may mangyayari tayong connection. Pero tama yun actually, the B2B approach.
Opo.
That's the smart way din to easily access end consumers. Pero ang nakikita ko na possible or kung gusto nyo rin gawin, ba't di kayo like mag-TikTok, yung mga ganong,
Pwede
pa rin,
din po, sir.
advertising pa rin,
Oo.
syempre, di ba? Para just to make the brand known, just to let it out there. Pero,
Parang direct po, sir.
tsaka para at least aware na yung mga tao.
Opo.
And then, pag rin na kami ni doctor, di mas, mas papayag na sila.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Tama naman po,
Pero ang
sir.
magiging pwede approach dyan is either, kasi meron din, like on the business model, pwedeng reseller approach, like the doctors will actually buy this to you at a lower cost, then sila magbebenta. Or, parang commission-based na when they get to sell, a portion goes to them, a portion
Opo,
goes to
sir.
you. So, it will depend, actually.
Opo, sir.
Pero, may ganung usapin din dyan ng business model. But, ayun, grabe, this is one heck of an invention, actually. And I really, really look forward to what it will become pa.
Introducing Aim High. Smarter construction management starts here. Monitor costs and progress with real-time insights. Plan ahead and adapt with streamlined scheduling tools. Make data-driven decisions to avoid costly delays. Increase efficiency and profit with Aim High.
Siguro na lang, I think that's everything you want to say na rin about the startup, no?
I think po, sir, yes.
Siguro na lang, vision na lang, maybe like, ano nga bang plans nyo rin, like in maybe 5 years? Or maybe sige, dahan-dahan muna. 2
Okay,
years,
sir.
3 years. So, ano ba yung future plans nyo? Ano ba yung next things that you will be doing?
As background na lang po, sir, this year, since currently finishing up education na kami lahat, kasi graduating naman po kami lahat, sir. Currently, pero may time naman po kaming, ini-invest of business. So parang ngayon, yung pinag-work on namin is incorporation, sir. So, and aside sa patenting, yung name ng company po namin pinag-work on pa din namin po, sir. Kasi
Pabaguhin niyo ba yung name?
meron pa kami, we are working with Flores and Lofrin Law Services po, sir.
Okay.
So parang ni-recommend nila po na magkaroon kami ng better na
Yes,
name.
ako din. Recommend ko din
Oo.
yun. Oo.
Kasi actually, sir, yung line of startup po, yung vision po namin before is parang health and nutrition.
Okay.
So parang,
larger kasi na
Oo.
umbrella. Parang
oo,
ganun.
so parang
Okay.
yun po naging origin story ng Nutrilink.
Well, pwede naman yun para may larger company pero one product under it.
Opo, sir.
Si
Si Allerkit.
Allerkit, yes.
Yes. So ayun po, sir, parang before namin siya gawin na parang i-incorporate as a company, yun, kailangan mag-finalize po kami muna ng parang company name
Yes,
namin.
tsaka I think kasi meron ng Nutrilink na ibang ano eh.
Ay, oo.
Oo.
Oo, sir. Tama.
So, yes.
Sa Allerkit po, sir, wala siya. So
wala
parang
pa yun. I
pwede
think.
siyang i-trademark as
Sige,
ours
so
po.
sa title ng episode natin gagawin ko na lang Nutrilink or Allerkit?
Pwede pong Allerkit.
Allerkit
Sige
na lang,
po.
no?
Oo.
Sige. I think,
Kasi magiging permanent na po siyang name ng product.
okay, sige.
Oo.
So, we'll use Allerkit na lang.
Sige po. Ayun po, sir. This year, aside from incorporation, i-finalize po namin yung patenting with the help of Binhi din po, sir. So very thankful kami kasi nag-o-offer sila ng services and consultancy for patenting and IP. So parang yun din yung tina-target namin this year. And also working with other companies na nag-help sa amin is yung pag-finalize ng aming product talaga na parang pwedeng i-mass produce. So kapag nagawa po siya namin this year, sir, next year, mag-start na po kami ng clinical trials. So parang yun yung magiging very, arduous na part. Kasi mahaba-haba yung, yung process of clinical trials.
Yes,
So parang yun, starting from next year, sana, para early pa siya ma-establish, doon na kami mag-focus sa clinical trials na po, sir. And that will last, siguro mga 3 to 5 years, sir. So parang matagal pa siya.
Yes.
So parang, as long as na IP na siya and na patent na siya, okay naman po siya na parang, ayun, parang mag-work on kami on that. Yun lang po yung yung parang thing about medical sciences na startups. Kasi, matagal-tagal siya. And kaya very, it's like a gamble,
Yes,
sir.
true. Oo nga. Actually,
Oo.
that's one thing pala na kailangang isipin, lalo na din if ever for potential investors. Kasi this is gonna be on the
Oo.
R&D stage. It needs to
Exactly.
be on the R&D stage. Kasi, yeah, clinical trials can take quite a while. Pero actually, ang nakikita ko parang magiging mangyari dito. So, yeah, you're on the process now of patenting and of incorporation. And then, you need a grant na tatagal ng 5 years or something like that on the R&D stage. Pero, like, siguro mag-manufacture. Actually, maybe you don't need to be with a third-party manufacturer kagad eh. Siguro prototypes lang muna for clinical trials. And then, after the clinical trials get approved, tsaka na kayo go work with a third-party manufacturer. And then, manufacture na all the way. And then, kailangan pa rin i-test yung market side, yung
Yes, sir.
And then, that's how it will happen. But, ayun, I think this is one startup na might go on the investor path. So, ayun, I hope there are investors out there who's interested working with them kasi this is one great idea. And pag na-patent na siya, kayo na yung may control dun
Thank
sa
you, sir.
innovation na yun. And, ayun, grabe.
Thank you, sir.
Ayun, I think that's all. So, if our listeners want to know more about Nutrilink or Allerkit, baka merong hospitals na, may doctors na interesado na to work with you. Possible din kasi na merong mga doctor/angel investor. It might happen, di ba? So baka may nakikinig dyan who want to work with you, or may manufacturer who want to work with you, or may investor na who want to work with you. So how can they know more about your team, about Allerkit? So maybe you can lead them. Do you already have like a website or social media?
Currently, sir, we have our Facebook account. It's by the name Nutrilink din. And ayun po, yung company logo namin. And nakikita naman po siya, visible naman po siya to the public. And if hindi po ma-reach or ma-search, pwede naman pong i-contact ako. Jomer J. Ruego, the CEO of Nutrilink.
Maybe shoutout lang natin yung buong team ninyo na para
yes po, shout out to the whole team, to the very passionate team na ayun po, very lucky po kami to be a very solid na team, sir. Kasi parang nafe-feel ko din yung passion nila na parang kailangan i-push through talaga and parang nag-keep up talaga sa progress namin and they're all doing their parts din po. We have Sarah Roslina as our financial officer. We
Oh.
also have Matthew.
Oh.
We have Rico. We have David, and we have EJ, sir. So shout out po sa kanila.
Shout out sa team. And ayun, thank you so much, Jomer.
Thank you, sir. And, thank you for having us here, and thank you for also giving us a chance to showcase our innovation and our growing startup.
And I hope makatulong nga ang podcast to get more reach for you and ayun, to have potential investors because I actually wanna see this mainstream in like 10 years na even
Thank you,
ako,
sir.
I will be one of the first customers for sure.
Ayun,
I will
ayun,
gonna buy
nag-customer
that
na
other
tayo.
kit. Kung 200 pesos yan, go. Try ko yan. Then I'll
Thank
try
you,
the
sir.
app. Yes, of course.
Sige po, sir.
Ayun, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you po. And thank you to Startup Podcast PH.
Ayun, thank you sa mga nakinig and salamat. Thank you very much to our 56 patrons. This episode is super powered by AskLexPH Academy, our official e-learning partner, get certifications on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and more. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner, early stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Cloud CFO, tech-forward cloud-based accounting service provider for businesses. Cloverly Tech, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Body BTs, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. One CFO, CFO services, bookkeeping and tax, and payroll processing for startups and small businesses. Unawa, driving digital transformation with secure, legally enforceable electronic signatures and robust AML compliance. SchoolTech, all-in-one AI-integrated school and learning management system. Better Support, a Manila-based BPO company. They are offering a referral program for anyone who can bring in new clients. Let us know if you know any Western-based business that might have a need. Britanna, cloud-based enterprise-grade ERP solution that fits a small and medium business budget. Wonder Brand, data science-driven brand strategy and design company for emerging markets. Fail Coach, business training, coaching, and consulting for startups and SMEs who are scaling or finding product market fit. Drive Manila, Philippines' largest peer-to-peer car rental community. East Point Business Outsourcing Services, one-stop shop for streamlined business solutions for MSMEs such as business registration, bookkeeping, and more. Doon, Philippines' first fully insured peer-to-peer car sharing marketplace. Hire Business Solutions, provider of the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. DVCO Technologies Incorporated, IT solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. Mata Technologies, Philippines' premier provider of virtual tours and maps for LGUs, real estate, tourism, and private businesses. Looking for buy and sell online with Sigurado sellers. NutriCoach, personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. This episode is powered by Wasteless PH, Tech Tribe, Yay, Uplift Codecamp, Board Prep, Dohe Philippines, Edfolio, Hive Rooms, Kazam, CodeSham, Jur.ph, Big Giant Games, Agile Data Solutions, Hustle PH, Pahatid PH, Pareto Consulting, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the links in the description.